Good morning. I'm heading out of Starkey Wilderness Campground. Morning. Starting my last day. I'm heading towards Clearwater. And from Clearwater, I turn off the trail and heading straight to Tampa. So my train is leaving 4:41. I'm gonna be back home at 10. So today should be a nice day. It's cold actually this morning, only 48, but it's gonna warm up into 60s or maybe even 70. Starkey Wilderness Trail is part of Coast to Coast Trail. Coast to Coast Trail includes more than 10 different trails that are connected together. Today's gonna be a nice day. Should be sunny and clear. So it's gonna be a nice ride. So now I'm heading to Clearwater and then I'm turning east towards Tampa. I'm gonna take the Campbell's Trail over the Tampa Bay, old Tampa Bay. So it's gonna be a beautiful ride. I'm gonna stop here in McDonald's and get the coffee and something to eat. I'm heading to the Pinellas Trail, doing some shortcut along the highway, but I do have a nice wide bike lane. Finally I made it to the bike trail. Yep. Tarpon Springs, 5 miles. It's gonna be a trail ride all the way to Clearwater, and then I'm doing in towards Tampa over the Causeway. Yeah, the trail ended now. It's like boardwalks and sidewalks. I haven't reached yet the Pinellas Trail. Anyway, I'm not in a hurry, I have all day. Today I have only 50 plus miles to go, so it's gonna be a short day. Finally I made it, Fred Marquis Pinellas Trail. And I'm supposed to come from the other way, but that's fine. I took the 19. Anyway, I'm now on Pinellas Trail, Fred Marquis Pinellas Trail. Yeah, that's a beautiful white trail. Goes all the way to St. Petersburg. But I'm gonna get off the trail from Clearwater and heading straight to Tampa, over the Courtney Campbell Causeway Trail. So that's the plan. Look, that's a pretty cool trail, right between the roads. It's called Tarpon Springs. Yeah, I think it's called Tarpon Springs. It's beautiful, yeah. I like this trail between the roads. I'm still in Tarpon Springs. Look, The narrow rail is for pedestrians and the wide rail is for bikers. That's good. That way pedestrians and bikers are not mixed. I like how those trees grow, just making a pathway. Wow. Woo, woo, woo. It's beautiful. I'm 5 miles from the stopping point, and then after a couple of more miles I'm gonna be in Clearwater, and then I'm turning towards Tampa. So this place is called Palm Harbor. Oh, look at this one. I never drive these bikes, but they say it's very comfortable to ride. It's just laying down and moving your feet. Look how wide is the trail. It's like a road. Now I'm gonna go up over the road. That's the square overpass. That's pretty cool. It's like a cage. Yeah, I remember this Pinellas Trail. Yeah, pretty cool. Now I'm on the other side. I'm like 3 miles away from my stopping point. Look at all those Nande parakeets. Yeah, these are Nande parakeets. They're very common here in Clearwater and Tampa area. They are not native in Florida. They just established themselves here. Okay, let's continue the ride. Yeah, this is the place, but I don't know. I'm just gonna continue my ride. I think it's a Dunedin. Look, all these biking communities, shops. Dunedin is a beautiful tourist town. Oh yeah, that's the place where I was sitting and listening to music. Yeah, I know this place. That's exactly the same spot. Yeah, I thought I'm gonna stop in Dunedin, but I'm just not hungry right now. I'm gonna just keep riding. Heading to Clearwater. I see coffee house right there. I'm gonna stop here, take a break. Yeah, just gonna stop here. I'm in Clearwater. I'm heading to the Causeway Bridge. I thought today's gonna be a warmer day, but no, it's pretty cold today. I think it's upper 50s. I'm just heading straight to the Causeway. So I came to this side, but it's under construction. So I have to go back to the other side and try to go on from the left side. Looks like people coming from this side. There should be a way to get over. Okay, I see. Now I can get to the other side. Now I am at Courtney Campbell Causeway Trail. I have done this trail once before from opposite way, but now I'm gonna ride the other way. Such a beautiful ride. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. I love it. This is one of my highlights on this ride. I'm crossing the Tampa Bay. I think that's the old Tampa Bay. $14 miles to go, so a little over an hour. And let me see, what time is it? It's 12 o'clock. Oh, I have plenty of time. My train is leaving 4:41, so I have like 4.5 hours. And Tampa is getting closer and closer. So I think I'm gonna stop in Starbucks because I have so much time left. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And maybe get some video work done. I'm leaving Pinellas County and entering Hillsborough County. See? Entering Hillsborough County. They have built a separate pedestrian and cyclist bridge, just like the big one. Wow, can't believe it. Yeah, that's excellent. You can ride now like a car over the big bridge. And that's only for cyclists. So cool. Can't believe it, they have spent that money, the cyclists, to build a whole new bridge. Beautiful ride. If the sun would be out, it would be even more prettier. Nice horde creeps. Yeah, 3 of them. Let me take a picture. see? Horn creep in winter plumage. Yeah, nice one. Okay, let me see if the others came out. Oh yeah, it came out and went back in. Yeah, there they are. Horned creeps. I haven't seen them for years. Yeah, it's always nice to see a good bird. I'm on the other side, and now I'm gonna go to Starbucks, spend a couple hours there, and then head into the train station. Nice trail continues, but this trail is gonna end soon, and then I'm gonna ride the straight, bicycle-friendly street with bike lane, and heading straight to Amtrak Station. So what time is it right now? Right now it's 12:54 and the train leaves 4:41. Oh yeah, I have almost 4 hours. So I'm gonna spend a couple hours in Starbucks and maybe go to eat before I board the train. I thought that I have to ride the street, but so far so good. Starbucks, here I come. Okay, final miles. I have only 1.5 miles left to go. And they have a nice bike trail here. Safe and sound. Now I'm gonna find a place to eat and then board in the train. It's 3:30 right now. The train is a little late, so it's gonna be probably like 5:30 when it leaves. So I have a couple hours, maybe an hour. Then I'm gonna head to the station. But right now I'm looking for a place to eat. I have reached the end of my bike tour. This was my 6-day bike tour, 360 plus miles, and now I'm in Tampa, almost in Amtrak Station. So thank you for watching, thank you for following along and being part of my adventure. If you enjoy these kind of bike tours and want to have some extra content and extra pictures, and become a channel member, just click on that join button and you'll get daily updates wherever it comes. I do these kind of tours once a month. The next one's gonna be in January, somewhere in Florida. So click that like button and see you in the next adventure.